I'm Melissa Riedesel. I'm co-owner of Milex Complete Auto Care in Cedar Rapids, Iowa, and we are brand new to the franchise. We are hoping to be family oriented. We are huge on our family. We want to make sure that everyone that walks through our door feels like they're a member of our family. Treated right, excellent service, just glad that they came in, feel welcome, feel right at home. I want them to know that we are family oriented, our speed of service, they can trust us. Trustworthiness is a big thing with Grant and I. Being able to just feel like they can feel right at home at our shop when they walk in, know that they can trust us, that their car's being taken care of, that they're being taken care of, and the honesty, knowing that we aren't gonna push them into doing stuff they don't need on their car, and just knowing that they can trust us.